April 14th, 1912, 11:40 p.m. The unsinkable ship has just hit an iceberg. You have less than 2 hours to live.
The lower decks are already flooding. The freezing ocean is creeping up the stairs like a dark shadow.
You hear the screams from above. The rich are boarding the lifeboats. Down here, the gates are locked. The metal groans. The lights flicker. This is your reality now. Can you find a way out? You are in third class, the steerage. While the rich are listening to the orchestra on the top deck, you are fighting to breathe gay. They locked the gates. They actually locked you down here so the first class could escape first. The water is up to your knees now. It feels like 1,000 needles. Every corridor looks the same, a dark, flooded maze. You pull the iron bars, but they will not move. You are completely alone. Wait, did you hear that? A shadow moving at the end of the hall. Is it someone coming to help, or just another trapped soul? You follow the shadow, splashing through the freezing water, but it is gone. It is just a dead end. The water is at your chest now. Suddenly, a deafening groan echoes through the steel. The ship is tearing itself apart. And then, the lights go out. Pitch black. The only thing keeping you from the abyss is your dying flashlight. The cold is shutting down your body. You can barely feel your legs. You finally find an open stairwell, but a waterfall of black ocean is pouring down it. There is no going up.
The pressure is unbearable. You cannot breathe. The sound of thousands of tons of steel snapping. It roars like a dying beast.
Cold, dark. The ocean claims you. Just silence now. The deepest, darkest silence you have ever known.
They did not just lose their lives, they lost their futures. Do not let their stories fade into the black.